everyone. Can you say hello, Miss Rani? Your turn. Well done, everyone. Are you ready to see what's inside Snowy's box? Should we say hello to Snowy first? Can you say hello? Hello, Snowy. There you go, boys and girls. He's giving you a wave. Snowy, have you got some new things in your box today for us? Yes, he has. Boys and girls, are you ready to see what's inside this box? Let's sing our song and find out. Ready? What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Oh, it's very heavy today, boys and girls. Do you know what this is? People have this on their fish and their chips. It's vinegar. Vinegar. It's very sour. My turn. Vinegar. Your turn. Vinegar. My turn again. Vinegar. Your turn again. Vinegar. Well done. So he's got some vinegar. I wonder if he's going to have some fish and chips later. Maybe. Should we see what else is in his box? Let's sing our song. What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Oh, it's a vest. A vest. My turn. Vest. Your turn. My turn again. Vest. Your turn again. Vest. Well done. So in Snowy's box today we've had a vest, vinegar. I wonder what else is going to be in Snowy's box. Shall we find out? Sing with me. What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Oh, shaking. Ooh, do you know what this is called? It's a sun hat, and it's a special type of hat. It's called a visor. Visor. My turn. Visor. Your turn. My turn again. Visor. Your turn again. Visor. Well done. Should we put the visor on Snowy? So if he goes outside, he won't get any sun in his eyes. So Snowy is wearing, I want to be able to see him a little bit. Visor, vinegar, vest. Should we see what else is in the box? I think there's only one thing left. Are you ready? What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. This is Velcro, so we use it to stick things down. So here, and it sticks on it. So you can see this is the soft side and this is the hard side. So the soft side sticks to the hard side. Velcro. My turn. Velcro. My turn again. Velcro. Your turn again. Well done, everybody. So today in Snowy's box we've had Velcro, vest, take the visor off Snowy's head, visor, vinegar. So today's sound is pop them there. Pop the visor to the side so you can wear it like a super cool one. Put it on the top. There we go. We want to be able to see Snowy, don't we? The vest and the Velcro. So today's sound is v. And when we make this sound, boys and girls, it's a long sound, v. But when we make it, we put our teeth over our lower lip there, v. And my tongue is behind my teeth at the bottom, v. And it's like a vibration, v. So make sure, and can you see my teeth when I make it, v. So practice that one at home, and if you see something that starts with v, let someone know. I think for phonics today, we should give ourselves a fantastic. Are you ready? Fantastic! Well done, everybody. And remember, only one video a day, and Miss Rani will see you soon. Can you say bye, bye, Miss Rani? Your turn. Can you say bye, bye, everyone? Your turn. Everyone. Well done, everyone. Miss Rani's making lots of mistakes today. I hope you've had fun, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.